So these are the old AC ducts for my Volkswagen Caddy, and they needed to be changed for the better ones. The problem with the old ducts was that the system was leaking from the seams and the ACC couldn't blow air properly. So what could be the solution for the problem that is caused by adding ACC unit to the MK1 Volkswagen Caddy that isn't designed to be fitted for that car? I was left with only one option, and that was that I needed to design and 3D model all the ducts for the ACC unit myself and 3D print them later on. So to wrap things up, here's the picture of the control panel that I designed and 3D printed for the climate control. And as you can see in the picture, in the summer there was almost 30 degrees outside, so it is very nice that the ACC is blowing cold air. For now, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.